خواتین و حضرات، السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ امید ہے کہ آپ خیریت سے ہوں گے اور میری اگلی ویڈیو کا بھی انتظار کر رہے ہوں گے۔ جزاک اللہ خیرا۔ اس سے پہلے کہ آپ میری یہ ویڈیو دیکھیں، اگر اب تک آپ نے میرا یہ چینل سبسکرائب نہیں کیا ہوا ہے تو پلیز اس کو سبسکرائب کر لیں۔ سبسکرائب کرنے کا آسان طریقہ، لال نشان کو دبائیں، پھر اس کے بعد ایک گھنٹی نما چیز آئے گی، اس کو دبائیں، پھر آل کو کلک کریں۔ جزاک اللہ۔
The film shows he's knocked back into the left, the opposite of what the Warren Commission said. So when Robert released this film on national TV, showing that instead of getting thrown forward, he's thrown back into the left, bounces off the back seat, and only then does he come forward. The government reopened the case. It was a congressional investigation, lasted a couple of years, and in the end it reversed the Warren Commission's lone gunman theory. Since 1978, the federal government says it was a conspiracy and that at least one shot came from right there. The big problem is about 80 to 85% of public school history textbooks, even some state college history textbooks, to this day still ramble on about Oswald, decades after the government themselves reversed that nonsense. Every homeschool history textbook we've ever seen is completely updated. Those little kids from all the science projects, those guys. Anyway, have a free look. They're free to look at as long as you like. We're going to be packing up here in just a few minutes. Besides, my voice is going. So I do thank you, and may God bless.
امید ہے کہ آپ کو ہماری یہ ویڈیو پسند آئی ہوگی۔ اگر پسند آئی ہے تو لائک کریں اور کمنٹ ضرور کریں۔ Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you must have liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe it and please do leave your comments. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Bye.